Am I cheating?
Our living room literally smells like banana bread. So we're just gonna smash up the tofu. I was actually doing a taste test.
I also have a major headache.
Hi guys, how are we doing today? So I have seen that you guys have been requesting me to make what I eat in a week.
Well,
I think this was technically 3 or 4 days. Little disclaimer, I don't eat like this every day. What I eat really depends on my mood. This was just a mixture of what I make at home and also where I go eat. But yeah, let me know how you guys like the video. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Wait, girl, you can be Nara Smith. You can. I don't know, these like really crispy balls. Let's try it. We're gonna eat now. Lindsay and cook for us. Okay guys, I have a face mask on, so please don't be alarmed.
okay, hi.
This is really scary, I know. I'm gonna go prep for overnight oats, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Hi guys, Coco and I just came back from the gym, so we look a little rough. I feel bad because I'm like,
Am I cheating?
it's what I eat in a week, but I'm making this extra special for you guys, just to impress you guys, and it's a little fake. I'm sorry. It's gonna be our first time making it.
Look at this madness. I'm sure a lot of people can relate because bananas, they go bad really quickly.
The reason why I got so much banana is because I wanted to make baked oats. Because I make overnight oats, I just never did it. Okay, so we were originally going to follow a recipe, but then because we wanted to make so much, we're guesstimating some of the measurements since we were trying to make so much, right? I guess technically speaking, we weren't really following a recipe. So, but at the same time, we were just guesstimating since we were trying to make a bigger serving. So here we added actually like 7 bananas because we were just like,
Let's just use all of it.
why are we stopping here? Then we melted some butter. Okay, don't be like me guys, do not cut the butter in the bowl, actually cut it on a cutting board. Who has a lot of experience baking, so you can see that she was doing the important task. So she was getting the flour ready, and then I microwaved it for 30 seconds, didn't melt, so I microwaved it for another 30 seconds, and then it melted. I do think that baking is one of those things where you have to follow precise measurements, but I mean, like, we're not really selling these, you know? These are just for us to eat and maybe for some, like, close friends. I also don't even know if the yogurt was actually in the recipe, but here we did something, okay? So in the recipe, they mentioned that there was supposed to be a lot of butter, but you saw how we only poured like half of it in because we were just like, maybe we don't need that much butter. But I do think that this definitely contributed to our end result, which you will see later. And you can see that we added seasoning here, and also looking back, I think we should have added more seasoning since we're making such a large serving. This is just your sign that next time you go to hang out with your friends, just cook. Just bake. It doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you're having fun with it, it's cool. And then here I oiled the pan so it doesn't stick.
It might be like, what the heck are you using?
Yeah, I was using a tissue paper, okay, because I didn't have like the brush thing. So now we're pouring it into the pan, and honestly, I was a little worried that it wouldn't fit into the pan nicely, but honestly, I would say that it looked great. So then we are cleaning up our mess because the kitchen was really messy. So we popped it into the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. So we're gonna go get ready while we wait, and then we will see you guys in a bit to make lunch, okay? Alright guys, it's been about an hour now. Our banana bread's looking pretty good. Our living room literally smells like banana bread. It smells so good. But right now, I want to cook some like Chinese dishes. We're gonna show you some of the inspo pictures we're gonna do. 所以我们第一个要做的就是豆腐饼。Oh my god, 我为什么要讲中文? But we're gonna make some like tofu pancakes first that we saw on 小红书. Guys, I made a 小红书if you guys want to go follow. And then we're gonna make eggs and tomatoes. And then we're gonna make a zucchini and tomatoes. Oh yeah, zucchini and eggs, sorry.
Do I have tomatoes?
我真是笨. Crap. Guys, I forgot to buy the tomatoes. Then just zucchini and eggs, and then we're gonna make the tofu pancake. First, we're gonna make the tofu pancake. So we're just gonna smash up the tofu. Let's just use the entire thing. Well, it's got 70 grams of protein. Okay. Currently smashing the tofu so we can make pancake. Oh, it's actually real easy to smash. Well, this is a good onion. It's so big. I'm surprised with how easy it is to smush this tofu. Cooking with your friends is just so much fun.
I think so too. So therapeutic.
Oh, it smells like doujiang.
Cheers.
Oh. Okay, right now we're just gonna cut up the kimchi to put it inside the tofu pancake.
Kimchi.
For some reason, we don't have like actual scissors, so we're just gonna cut it with the knife. Coco just chopped up some zucchini. These were like baby zucchini. They were so tiny. Oh wait, we have more over there. And we're just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Oh, is that how it gets stained? Currently, we're just washing things as we go, especially with kimchi. You don't want to stain the cutting board. We're gonna heat her up. My housemate has soy sauce. I honestly don't have soy sauce, which is so embarrassing. We also cracked an egg. All right, next we're gonna add in some soy sauce. Oh wait, you add the garlic into there, not on the pan. Coco's such a chef. Like, she just knows what to do. I have pepper. Hold on, where did she go? What should I do? What should I do to help you out? I'm gonna reuse this bowl because everything is in the dishwasher. We didn't calculate it right. My job right now is to whisk the eggs. So let me just clean this up first and we will crack all eggs. Coco right now is just making them in the shape of the pancake. While this is going, I'm just gonna whisk the eggs. Are we only cracking 3 eggs? Wow, oh my god. Try. That looks so good. Oh, okay, oh my god. Coco just added the flour to the pancake and she's like slowly becoming. Wait, should we cut her open to see how it is?
Yeah.
It doesn't look that bad.
Keep in mind, this is really healthy.
It's just a food. I'm so excited to eat.
The banana bread was so good.
我们这是特别特殊的一种 banana bread， 你有的些地方你买不到的，因为我们都不知道该怎么做。 fries. Raw sushi. What is it? Oh, sushi roll? They're all so good. I started cooking more. I like contrasting textures. How do I know what I'm looking at? So right after dinner, Lydia and I, we went to Little Sweet Treat. I was actually doing a taste test. I was like debating whether I want to include this into the video. Since we're filming a what I eat in a week, this is what I'm eating. You guys need to get the chocolate covered marshmallows.
Those are the best.
And also the fruit flavor ones are just amazing. I just also want to point out that I was very hesitant with making like a what I eat in a week. I just don't want to trigger anyone with like food stuff. I don't want you guys to get the idea like if I eat what she's eating, I'm gonna look a certain way. All of our bodies are built very differently. You can eat same food and you can be smaller than me, you can be bigger than me. I just don't want you guys to think that way in case you guys do. Definitely not this one. This one tastes like, oh, this one tastes nasty.
I just woke up. I also have a major headache. I realize my body's having a harder and harder time processing processed food. It's currently 7. I think I'm just gonna make dinner right now.
Honestly, like what I eat is not really that glamorous. I'm a very practical person.
I'm not gonna lie.
Sometimes I don't put seasoning on anything. Don't get me wrong, I know what good seasoning is. If I go out to a restaurant and eat, if it's not seasoned, I'll be a little upset. But if I'm at home, I don't really care how I make my food. As long as it goes into my stomach, it goes into my stomach. I'm not really picky. If I make food at home, I just kind of want it to be plain. So yeah, that's it for what I eat in a week. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys all very, very soon with some vlogs because I know some of you guys missed those. Have a lovely rest of your day, afternoon, or night. Okay, bye-bye.